Sonny, thank you for the truth you let me see. Sonny, thank you for the facts from A to Z. My life was torn like windblown sand, then a rock was formed when we held hands.